Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be rehousing my Phlogius Western form Goliath sitting behind me just here. Now she is about 150 millimeters in leg span and I can't wait just to get her out and show everybody what she looks like and just how big she is. Plus we also had two successful matings with her a couple months ago. Now I just want to get her house set up more appropriately for her before I put her in the incubator. Unfortunately, on the third mating, it didn't go too well for the male Goliath, as the female decided he would be a nice little snack. Alright, now let's get up nice and close to her and see how she's coming along. Now she is quite a docile girl, but after seeing her take down her mate, I haven't been keen really on handling her. I was going to try for the video, but unfortunately my nerves got the better of me, so we'll have to save that for another time, I think. As you can see, she's not too phased about having her abdomen brushed down, but I would like to see her in her defense pose because I reckon she would look pretty brutal, but unfortunately she has too much patience for me and just won't do what I want. But I will not aggravate her in any way, so we'll just have to wait and see in the future, and if she does, hopefully I can get a video of her doing it, or even a picture. I think she's had enough time to wander around and stretch her legs, so let's get her all set up. Alright, now her enclosure's all set up and ready to go. It's time to put her in. But unfortunately, I'm having the same issue as last time, and she can be quite stubborn when trying to get her over the cup, but eventually she does come out in the end. what are you doing? I walk away for literally 2 seconds and here you are climbing the wall. That's right, you better slide back down. Now, I'm still currently trying to work out a good name for her, so if you have any ideas or any suggestions, chuck them down in the comments below and I'll let you guys know which name I choose in the end. Okay, I think she's getting a little bit carried away now, so I think I'll end the video here, but please, if you enjoyed it, thumbs up, and if you'd like to keep up to date with my videos, please subscribe down below. Cheers.